may mga bagay na hindi mo pa rin nakikita hanggang ngayon. And yung universe, hindi niya pa pinapakita sa'yo ito right now. Malalaman mo to, ma-unveil to, ma-reveal to at the right time, and clarity will be coming towards you based on divine timing. So, just trust the universe na ma-unveil to, itong mga secrets, itong mga illusion, itong mga uncertainties, itong confusion. Just trust your intuition right now. Ayan. So, if this is a message na nakikita mo right now, I feel na meron ko makuha sa reading na to. Ayan. Let's see kung ano ang kailangan i-reveal ng universe sa'yo. Okay. We got the Page of Cups. Let's get one more. We got Page of Cups and the Four of Swords. Yan. So I feel that, ayan, sa Page of Cups, siguro itong mga secrets or yung mga tinatago ng universe sa'yo right now, itong mga um, illusion na hindi mo pa nakikita hanggang ngayon, siguro nagmamanifest siya sa yung mga sa dream state. Um, siguro yung something na nire-reveal sa'yo, siguro makikita mo siya sa panaginip. Yun yung nafe-feel ko dito. And, ayan, I think, sinasabi na tong Four of Swords, na kailangan mo munang i-rest yung mind mo. Kailangan mo munang bigyan ng break yung mind mo. Siguro kasi nga, you are trying to unveil something. You are trying to find out, bakit ba to, ano ba yung sikreto, ano ba yung tinatago sa akin, ano ba yung nagko-cause na tong confusion ko right now, bakit ba hindi ko alam kung ano yung nangyayari. And the Four of Swords, this is about mental rest. So, ayan, sabi siguro ng card na to ay hayaan mo muna, ipahinga mo yung utak mo kasi it was being hidden from you for a reason. Okay, let's get two more cards. Oh, one and two. So we got Four of Pentacles and Temperance. So I feel that these cards are saying na be patient, okay? Be patient, kailangan mo ng peace and patience and um, just be calm. Kasi i-release naman to ng universe sa'yo at the right time, sa takdang panahon. And wag kang ma-obsess sa idea na to, sa paghahanap ng truth kasi it is being hidden from you for a reason and hindi mo to makikita until the right time. Kaya don't overthink, um, wag kang wag mong hayaan na ito yung mag-drive nung life mo, ng pang-araw-araw mo, itong uncertainty, itong illusion, itong secret na hindi mo mawari kung ano ba tong tinatago sa'yo. Siguro, just focus on yourself. Kasi, i-reveal naman to ng universe sa'yo eh. Kailangan mo lang ng patience. Okay? So, ano na mangyayari? Tingnan natin. We got the Eight of Cups. Okay, so the Eight of Cups, this is about walking away, letting go. So, i-let go mo muna i-let go mo muna yung paghahabol dito sa mystery na to. Sa kung ano mang, siguro nag investigate ka, nahanapan mo ng rason lahat, pero hindi mo pa rin mahanap. Ginawa mo na lahat ng kaya mong gawin, pero parang hindi mo pa rin alam kung ano yung nangyayari. Confused ka pa rin sa nangyayari. And this Eight of Cups is saying na let go. Let go of the control, of being in control. Hayaan mo lang ang divine timing kasi you are being guided. Temperance, guardian angel, you are being, sinasabi ng guardian angel mo na hayaan mo muna, be patient, be calm, rest your mind. Okay? And then we got the Chariot. So, okay, darating naman ang time na malalaman mo kung ano yung secret na tinatago sa'yo or yung something na nagkakos ng confusion, ng uncertainties, ng mystery sa life mo ngayon. And hayaan mo lang yung takbo ng buhay. Let go of control and focus ka lang sa goals mo. Focus ka lang sa kung ano yung tinatrabaho mo. Focus on your own life. Okay, last card. We got the Ten of Cups. Ayan. If you let go, if you focus on your own life, your own goals, your own direction in life, you will get this Ten of Cups. You will get happiness, you will get fulfillment, you will be more emotionally emotionally stable, and you'll get harmony naman. Kasi nga, this is something na uncertainty. This is a mystery that is hidden from you. If you let go of it, you will be more calm, you will have more emotional stability, hindi ka na mag-overthink, hindi ka na stress. And ayun, magiging parang more positive yung outlook mo sa life kasi this is not something that is driving your day-to-day life. Ayan. So, now let's get some important numbers, important dates. Tingnan natin. So, we got 9 and 3. So, March 9 or September 3. 4 and 3. So, April 3 or March 4. 14 and 6. So, June 14. 17 and 5. So, May 17. Okay. And 12 and 19. So, December 19. Okay. If this message resonated with you, I hope nakatulong yung message na to for you right now. Just let go and trust in divine timing. You are guided and focus on your own purpose, your own drive, your own direction in life at ma-unveil itong mystery na to around you in the right time. Okay? So I'll see you on the next reading. Just take what resonates and leave what doesn't. Bye!